Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, this past weekend I did 3 dishes. I did my potato salad, my Spanish rice, and my sweet and sour chicken. But this video I'll be showing you guys how to make potato salad. My potato salad was so delicious. So I'll be showing you guys step by step how to make this delicious potato salad. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Alright, so let me just show you my potato salad ingredients. Enjoy. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my favorite potato salad. First we have some mayonnaise, corn, all-purpose seasoning, 3 eggs, sugar, vinegar, some shallots, sweet pepper. We have a tablespoon of salt, and also we have our potato here. I'm going to be using some Irish potato and sweet potato. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do here is put the salt into the water. And then you're going to put all the potato into the water. So all the potato in the water. So what I'm going to do now, I'm also going to put in my 3 eggs. Alright, and let it come to a boil. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my potato salad has been boiling for about half an hour, so I'll strain it and take it out and show you guys the next step. Okay guys, so I just strained out the potato, so you're gonna leave it here for cool for about half an hour. I also take my eggs, I peel my eggs, put it into some cold water, and I crack it and I peel my 3 eggs. Alright, so when this finished cool off, we'll continue. We'll be back. Alright guys, so my potato finished cooling, so I'm gonna mix up all my ingredients now. First you have some mayonnaise in here. Check the description box down below for all the measurements and ingredients. So I'm gonna mix up my mayonnaise with my sugar, and then I'm gonna put in my carrots and sweet pepper. Also we're gonna put in our corn and a little bit of shallots, and then you're gonna mix everything together. Also I have a tablespoon of vinegar. Alright, and you're gonna mix everything really good. So we're gonna do now, you're gonna put in 1 cube inside and a little bit of mustard hot sauce. This is my favorite potato salad guys. Alright, this is how I like to make mine, and you're gonna mix it up together. Really good. Let me taste it. Tastes really good. So what you're gonna do now, I have 3 eggs here, so I'm gonna cut up my eggs. Cut it up like this. Alright, and then you drop them right into the salad. So I'll cut up the rest and we'll be back. So all 3 of my eggs finished cutting up, so you're gonna mix it into the mayonnaise mix. Alright, so what you're gonna do now, you're gonna pour in your potato. Remember, I use 2 different potatoes. I use Irish potato and sweet potato. And then you're gonna just fold everything in and mix it into the mayonnaise mix. Alright, Mix everything in. It's looking really good. Okay guys, so done mix up everything, but I'm just gonna put in a little bit of paprika. Just pour a little bit on top of it, and then just mix it in. All right, see how it's looking? So delicious. I'm gonna plate it now and let you guys see the end results. We'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my potato salad. So I'm gonna taste it on camera. I'm gonna take a piece of egg. This is it here. I'm gonna taste it. Wow, this potato salad tastes so good. I'm gonna try another piece. Yummy. So I hope you guys try this recipe. Trust me, you won't regret it. Can't stop eating it. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this, my favorite potato salad. So I hope you guys give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, so you can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, also look out for my sweet and sour chicken and also my Spanish rice. Alright, this is just my potato salad I'm doing now, but I'm doing 3 different dishes. Alright, so look out for those other 2 dishes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay blessed. Bye.